In this question, we'll be finding the area of the shape ABCD. The shape ABCD is made up of two different shapes. So if you drew a line that is parallel to a segment that is parallel to BC, then it will make this side 5 and this side will be 4 and the top side here will be 6, since 6 plus 4 equals 10. We will make an assumption that these angles are right and that these two lines are parallel. So the area of the shape is going to be obtained by finding the area of the triangle and adding it to the area of the rectangle at the bottom. So the area of the triangle is obtained